this is how it looks after I fixed it. And it's still got that distressed look, yet no hole is showing, so that should do really well. This video tutorial is on how to repair a ripped jeans. So I have that hole in my denim and I will be fixing it today. I will be showing you a technique, in my opinion, the best and the easiest one to fix this easily and quickly. We are going to need an extra piece of denim. Patch that we will be cutting needs to be slightly bigger than the rib. I'm just going to eyeball that. I'm not measuring it. After we're finished zigzagging, we can make that patch a little bit smaller. So yeah, something like that. Now we have to make sure to take the jeans, the inner side out, so the left side out, and then we will apply the right side of the fabric onto the hole from the inside. Then we're gonna flip it just to make sure, just to take a look. How's that look? Right? That should look fine. But before I move on, I need to clean that hole. So I'm gonna cut off any loose threads, anything that's unnecessary. That's how it looks. Now that piece of fabric will go inside. Take a look at the veins of the denim. Make sure they will go along with your jean. So let's put that in. Now we're gonna pin that with few pins just to make sure it will stay in place. And now I'm gonna go grab my sewing machine. I'm gonna sew it. Match your thread as close to your jean fabric as possible. I will be using kind of bluish grayish thread. I think it goes very well with the color of my denim. So that should work fine. If you don't have anything as close, go with the lightest that you have. Don't use black unless you want to have a contrast. Get your sewing machine into zigzag position. I'm going to zigzag the hole all around, and after that I'm just gonna top stitch it. So I will be going back and forth pretty much to close up that hole. Make sure that your fabric is not sticking with the other side of your pants. Make sure that thread goes to the back under the foot. So I got my sewing machine set on the zigzag, and I'm ready to go. Remove the pin. Once in a while, double check that the fabric underneath the denim it's not folded or anything like that. Make sure it's nice and flat. Reverse, so secure it, and then I will be going with the top stitch. So we'll be reinforcing that hole with the top stitch. So I'm going to change my settings back into the straight needle position, and I will be going back and forth. That would be it. So that's how it looks. I'm going to press that now, cut any left threads. So that's how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. And it's still got that distress look, yet no hole is showing, so that should do really well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something from my sewing tutorial. Until next time, bye bye!